Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Ads for lead generation strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Google Ads for your lead generation strategy, first, navigate to the Google Ads homepage at ads.google.com. If you don't have a Google account, create one by clicking on the Start button and filling out the required information. Once you're signed in, click on the Start Now button to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to select your advertising goal. For lead generation, choose the option that focuses on leads. Next, enter your business name and website URL. This information helps Google tailor your ads accordingly. After this, you'll need to select your target audience. Define your target demographics by setting parameters like location, age, and interests. The next step is to choose your budget. Decide on a daily budget that aligns with your marketing strategy and financial capabilities. Once your budget is set, it's time to create your first ad campaign. Select a campaign type. For lead generation, consider using search ads or display ads. In the campaign settings, specify your campaign name and set your bidding strategy. For lead generation, a focus on conversions is usually a good choice. Now, let's create the ad groups. An ad group contains one or more ads that share similar targeting settings. Within each ad group, add relevant keywords that potential leads might use to search for your services or products. After setting up your ad groups and keywords, it's time to design your ad. Craft a compelling headline and description that clearly communicate your value proposition. Be sure to include a strong call to action that encourages users to take the next step, such as sign up now or get a free quote. Finally, review your campaign settings and ads to ensure everything is correct before launching. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click the Publish or Submit button to activate your campaign. After your ads go live, monitor their performance regularly to assess their effectiveness in generating leads. Adjust your keywords and ad copy as necessary based on the insights you gather from the performance data. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully using Google Ads for your lead generation strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.